Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly exciting to share with you. We'll show you how to make an incredible video in just 5 minutes using the powerful combination of Pictory and Chat GPT's amazing script-to-video feature. Say goodbye to long hours of editing and hello to quick and effortless video creation. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have 2 things ready. First, sign up for a Pictory account by opening website www.pictory.ai, a fantastic platform for video creation. Just click on Get Started for free. Secondly, put your email address and other required information and click on Continue button. And wow! Here you are, just click the first option, Script to Video. When you see this screen, just open a new screen in your internet browser and search ChatGPT in Google. Click on www.chat.openai.com. If you don't have a script yet, don't worry, ChatGPT will help us with that. Now generating the script with ChatGPT, head over to ChatGPT, an AI language model designed by OpenAI. It's a powerful tool that can help you create a script for your video. For example, just write, "Hey, ChatGPT. We need your creative assistance. Please generate a script for a video about explain global warming." Within seconds, ChatGPT generates a brilliant script for us. Now copy the script from ChatGPT screen. Open Pictory AI tab again and just paste the script here and click on Proceed button. Just wait now for few seconds, this feature is a game changer. It takes the script we generated with ChatGPT and turns it into a ready-to-use video template. Remember these steps for next video creation. You can add your own images and videos and personalize the narration to match your style. Also, add background music and voiceover in the Pictory audio option. After selecting voiceover, background music and changing visuals according to your requirement, just click on Download button. Wow! You've just created an incredible video in just 5 minutes using Pictory and ChatGPT's script-to-video option. It's amazing how these tools can streamline the video making process and bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Now download the video. If you enjoyed this short video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting tech tips and creative hacks. Share your thoughts and experiences with Pictory and ChatGPT in the comments below. We would love to hear from you in the comments. Until next video, goodbye.